All right, morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today we are at C10 Resurrection. I'll keep the intro short, but we're in the vendor trailer. Trucks are all starting to get lined up, and I'm gonna go walk around as soon as it fills up in here and show you guys these awesome trucks. It looks like it's gonna be a good show. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, hit that subscribe button and help me out. Appreciate it. Resurrection. It is busy here today. Awesome show so far. I think they said there was more than 250 trucks here, which is good. Second year. It's awesome. I'm trying to make my rounds and at least see all the trucks so I can film it for you guys. Get away from the booth for a little bit, but we'll keep walking and keep showing you trucks.